Hey Shop.com shoppers, today I'm going to show you another one of our amazing tools. It's called Egift. And how that works is you can send someone a gift if you already have the perfect gift in mind, or you can make a few different choices so they can pick what they want. I'll show you how that works. Simply go to your Shop.com page, go into the search bar and search what you're looking for, then hit One Cart Store here. Pick the item you would like, hit See Details. That will bring up the Add To bar. You're going to go to Egift. You'll name the Egift and hit Add Egift. You'll continue shopping until you've picked all of the items you would like. When you're ready, you'll go right to your account drop down here to eGifts. This will come up. Write a quick note. Please pick one of your favorites. Happy birthday, and hit send to, and they will get an email. This is what the email they will receive will look like. Redeem your e-gift. They click on that, and this will come up. And there it is. Please pick one of your favorites. Happy birthday. They pick the item they would like. It gets shipped directly to them, and you get billed for whatever they chose. Now, if this was a pair of sneakers or a jacket and you didn't know what color or size they needed, they actually get to pick their exact size and their favorite color. So you can never go wrong. And when you send multiple gifts, it makes it fun. So for more shopping tips, please subscribe to my page, share this with your friends, and thank you for shopping with Shop.com.